Okay, what's up, everyone? I'm at it today again, and the title of this video, if it gets uploaded, is going to be Redemption. I stopped by Huacas, which is a town 15 minutes away from Tamarindo, and purchased weights, purchased swivels, purchased bait, natural bait, purchased some jigs, and some scissors. So I'm much better prepared this time. You know, one thing I didn't do was change the line from this, I don't know, it must be 4-pound test to the 30-pound test. You know, I want to experiment, and I'm gonna toss it today again. Toss the line today and see what happens, because it's kind of a pain to switch the lines. And so if I can pull it off with this 4-pound test, you know, all the better. If I find that the line continues to break, then I'll go ahead and switch the line to a 30-pound test and get at it again. So taking a small risk, but that should be fine. What else? That'll be it. All right, let's see if I can catch anything interesting. Okay, so I didn't check the tide, but it's apparently high tide, peak high tide, and so can't go to the spot that I intended to go to, which is over there, until a little later. So what I thought I'd do is cast out here. It's a little too shallow. But maybe I could find a pocket where it gets deep. If not, then I'll just have to wait it out. Yep. Change of plans once again. I'm going to wait out the tide. The area that I was considering, that I had committed to, at least on the video I did commit to, was fishing there. It's too hollow. I mean, I could see through the water. There's no fish there. So what I'm gonna do is wait out the tide and wait for. If it's I'm sure that it's going to swim around the right spot. But wait out the water until the tide comes down. When the tide comes down, I'll stop by those rocks. Again, outgoing tide. The problem last time was incoming tide. Now I'm faced with outgoing tide. I'll start fishing the large pockets of water. That's where I had luck a year ago. I'm going to try out the luck again today. This year. Today. Later. Just my luck, it starts to rain. Well, it hasn't. It's sprinkling right now, but it'll start pouring in a few minutes. You know what? This time, I'm gonna stay and weather the storm. I'm not going to go back to the condo. I'm staying. Whatever. Yeah, I'm a little stranded in the water, in the rain. I mean, I don't want to keep walking, because if I do, there's a chance that I'm gonna wet my Kindle, and the Kindle will stop working, my phone will stop working, so I'm a little screwed, very screwed. Even my GoPro might stop working. Anyways, the howler monkeys. All right. I gotta find better I gotta find better protection. Yeah, so I found myself a new shelter. The irony is that I had a waterproof pouch that I could have brought, and I forgot it, and so now I'm stuck waiting out the rain, because if I don't, then there's a chance my phone's not gonna work. And as you can tell, I'm very much a newbie when it comes to rain, and in California we rarely get any, so I rarely have to think about it. But here you definitely have to think about it. I mean, you have to check the time that it's gonna rain and the time that it's not gonna rain. So anyways, another rough day of trying to fish Costa Rica, but that's not a problem. Well, tomorrow I'll give it another run. Maybe I'll give it a run in the morning. I'll check this time. I'll check the forecast for rain, and I'll check the forecast and I'll check the tide, because the time to fish is an outgoing tide. Anything else, you're sort of wasting your time. It was a clear signal when you see when you don't see many people there fishing. That's probably a sign, but anyways, it is what it is. I'll have to wait it out. It is kind of cool though. I mean, obviously not ideal situation, but it is kind of, I don't usually find myself stranded in rain, and so it's kind of cool. Cool is the word I'm working with. That comes to mind.